Hello all, it's Gopika with another video on farming practices of Neutralite. I just want to say that in farming various processes goes on, like when seed is sown, then harvest, then the after sowing the seeds watering is done, and like that the process go on. And now in our normal farmings going on around the world, most of the time for crops are not grown naturally. Even today genetic engineering or hybridization is so much that we are not getting the proper nutrients in the plant. In the other way, the Neutralite farming practices are very natural, very organic, because they don't use any type of chemical for the extract. They use the seed process. First the seed is grown organically, and then from that seed leaves other parts of the plant. They extract in natural way, they extract the nutrients and they make supplements. Then the second thing very important is that when we are growing a crop, it requires a particular climate. If it does not have that type of climate, it does not grow properly, and then requires the other type of chemicals which are not good for crop, even for us. So they have given different lands, and that too far away from the main city area, so that there is no pollution, no not different types of organisms which can destroy crop. So there is very much less uh, there is no such kind of conditions happening, so they don't need pesticides or chemicals to just uh, to make their crop protected. And because it is out of the cities, and according to the weather and climate, they have divided the lands for the crop, like Mexico, Brazil, California, so that the crop grow naturally and properly. And that is the very nice way of farming, and I really like the way they do it. Thank you so much.